Yung question mo is, si leader ba introvert o yung team mo yung introvert?
Say the team.
The team. Okay. Ako, introvert, extrovert? Ambivert, yes. Meaning, parang both. Pero minsan gusto ko lang mag-isa. Ito yung misconception sa introvert. Ay, introvert parang hirap kausap. But, kung makahanap sila ng katapat nila, madaldal yung mga introvert. 'Di ba? Madaldal yung mga introvert, hindi lang to everyone, hindi lang, oh guys, alam niyo ba, may bagong samgyup. Hindi. 'Di ba? But an introvert na team mo, siguro give it time, hindi mo mamadali na, oh, kailangan kong PhD, sige, girl, ano yung mo, kwento ng buhay mo. Hindi kasi if that introvert team mo sees that you're genuinely interested, and if we will apply the first letter that you love your team, eventually, unti-unti naman mag-open up yan. Pwede naman sa una, ay boss, okay lang naman. Pero if constant ka nangangamusta, mag-open up yun. Minsan, yung tip din, hindi sa tanong serve them. Oh, alam ko mahilig ka sa sa Bini. Oh, binigyan kita ng ticket. Diba? And then eventually, mag-open up yun. Or, pwede mo sabihin, girl, parang ang demure mo. Sige, bigyan kita ng eyelashes. Diba? And eventually, it will open relationship. And then, kahit gaano ka introvert yun, eventually, magkwekwentuhan kayo. Pero, mindful ka rin sa situation in doing it. Gusto ba na one-on-one lang kayo or amongst people? Aalamin mo yun. Hindi siya one size fits all. Pero as you continuously do it, mag-gets nyo rin naman. Did I answer the question?
I think what I understand is you're saying that it's more of consistency on
Yes.
reaching out to the people.
Yes. And customizing. Not necessarily ganito yung approach sa introvert, ganito rin yung sa another introvert. Pero, yung principle that I am doing is just really genuinely getting to know them sincerely, loving them, helping them, and then kung nakita naman, regardless kung anong generation yun, ay grabe to si Louie talagang sincere akong tulungan. Hindi, unti-unti mag-open up yan. Ganun.
Thank you.
Welcome.